Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Don't you hate it when you're trying to charge something and you're looking for the cord, you're looking at your outlets, you're looking over by your nightstand? This solves that problem. This is the bamboo charging station from Alltripal, and what we really like about it is the fact that it's got a clean design, it's nice and sturdy, and it's made of bamboo, which is really cool because you have all this plastic, all this glass, all this rubber. It's really nice to have something natural that goes along with charging your electronics. Everything's in one place. What's really cool is it has a compartment underneath right here. The top is fixed with magnets, so you don't have to worry about little tabs or something breaking off and then that not sitting correctly, but those magnets will stay for a long time. And then the design of it is nice and clean to where the cords are nice and short, if you can see them. Sometimes the cords are hidden, so you only see the plug-in, and it keeps everything looking nice and neat. Because there's nothing worse than cords all over the place, tangled up, messing up your counters, messing up your nightstand. This just gives it a nice, clean look, and that way you know where all your charging stuff is. Also, what's nice about it is the inlay for the watch charging button. That's really well designed, and it's nice and clean and hidden. It's just a really nice design. It matches our decor really well. The other thing that I like about it too is it has an on-off switch that's nice and sturdy on the back. That way you know whether it's charging or not. It has a little light, and you can turn it on or turn it off as you want. It's not always running if you don't want it to be. So that's what I liked about this bamboo charging station from Alltripal, and that's my point of view.